Irista is a new image management platform from Canon. One of the things we've looked at is the imaging market is exploding. More and more people are taking more and more photos. And it's incredible to see people using different platforms and different devices to take these photos. But the more people that take photos, the more they worry about where those photos are stored, how they're stored, what is being said about those photos. So when the team went back and started to look at some of the opportunities in this space, it was, could we create a platform that aggregates all these photos from all these different platforms, from Facebook, from Flickr, and bring them back down into one place where the user could see all these photos. But not just that, you know, we live very socially digital lives these days. Can we pull down that social information down from these platforms and put it in one place so the user has full control of how those images are being viewed out in the social networks? And that's what we created. But we also looked at, you know, imaging. When you upload to these imaging platforms, most of these platforms, their core operandi is, you know, advertising. Canon has been around for 75 years. Imaging is in our DNA. So we looked at what photographers want from photography. When we upload the photo, we keep the photo in its original format. If you upload it in RAW, we keep it in a RAW format, and you can always download that RAW file. It was about keeping the photograph in its original way, not degrading the photo in any sort of way, keeping it as safe as possible, keeping it in its original form, so you can use it for other services like PhotoPico, the photo book service, or downloading it to use in a presentation. So that was our core. That's our core product today. You know, the product continuous revitalization of the platform. Every 6 weeks we introduce new updates and new functionality. Some of the functionality coming next year is mobile functionality, mobile apps, photo book applications, and you know, I think Canon being, you know, a 75-year-old imaging company with one of the top imaging patent holders in the world, I think you can expect a hell of a lot more from Canon in the year to come.